Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an electronic travel authorization, or you can say ETA, to travel to Israel. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, first of all, like this ETA is for the countries whose citizens are visa exempt, okay, or they have mentioned visitors from visa exempt countries, okay. So how you're gonna do? Click on start application. What you need: your email address where they can send this, your travel information, your personal information, and valid passport, of course. So click on. So first is stage one: verify your email address where the information can be reached to you. Provide your travel information, passport details, add personal details, and pay the fee, okay. And you are recommended to do this at least 72 hours before your departure. So click on up to continue. I confirm the disclaimer. Start your application. So if you're doing for myself, verify email, okay. Valid email address that you can access in future. We'll send you application of ETA-IL status and any additional information to this address, okay. So I'm gonna do this, then I'm gonna see you guys, okay. Now we have come to the next page where what it does is, like, when you put your email address, it sends a 6-digit code that you have to put in, and then you'll be once you do that, you come to this page. What is the main purpose of your visit? I select visit. When are you planning to come? So let's say we are just, I'm putting sample, then June I'm sorry, how long you're planning to stay? I select this, enter passport details. So travel document type, for most of the people it's regular. Passport number, country code, biometric, nationality. Do it as per your own case, guys. This is just sample. Family name, given and date of issue, date of expiry, date of birth, place of birth, gender, next. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So guys, after finishing your passport detail, you come here with your details. Like if you're more than one nationality, you can provide marital status, your parents' information, your contact information, home address, occupation. Then you go to next, where you go to review, or there you review all the information that you have entered and pay. And if everything is good, and then you're all good to go. I mean, you will get the ETA. Of course, final decision will be taken by the immigration official at the border when you arrive. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.